How to connect Steam to Discord? Here's how you can do it. First, open the Discord app on your iPhone, Android device, or computer, and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Tap on Setting on top right corner. Now, select Connections. Tap Add, then choose Steam from the list of available services. A Steam login page will open. Enter your Steam account username and password, then complete the sign-in process. At this point, a Steam sign-in page will appear. I'm not going to connect my Steam account in this video, but you can simply follow these steps. If Steam Guard is enabled, enter the verification code to continue. After signing in successfully, authorize Discord to connect with your Steam account. Once the connection is complete, you'll return to the Connections page where your Steam account will appear. If you want your friends to see your connected Steam account, turn on Display on Profile. You can also enable Display Steam as your status if you want Discord to show the games you're currently playing on Steam. And that's it. That's how you can connect your Steam account to Discord and share your gaming activity with your friends. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Discord tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.